Pause the video, zoom in and learn how to pass maneuverability test. Go straight. When the right mirror aligns with the right cone, turn the steering 180 to the right. Look at the left mirror. When it aligns with the left cone, turn the steering 360 to the left. Make steering straight and stop the car. Put the car on reverse and look at the left mirror, and when it aligns with the left cone, turn the steering 360 to the right. At last, when the right mirror aligns the right cone, turn the steering 180 to the left. Now go straight back and it's done. Similarly do for left side.